Today I'm going to show you how to make the crisscross treasure mesh knot. It's basically a square knot, but with a special twist. So you'll start with some rope hanging down, kind of like your warp, and you'll work with the working cords. You'll want to fold them over and mount them at the very center. So you'll take the ends and meet them so that they're even, and then find the center, and you'll mount this using a square knot behind the first two cords. So I'll take that center point, put it behind the first two cords, and make my first square knot. So left over the center, right over the tail, behind, and up and through. And I'm going to do that with all of these, so you'll get a chance to see it again. And then I slide that all the way up to the top. Now I do the same thing on the right, right over the center, left over the tail, behind and through. So then I'll repeat that same step all the way across. So this is just a new mounting technique where here we have these cords mounted using reverse lark's head knots. It's possible to mount your cords this way as well. Okay, now that you have all of your cords mounted, I'm going to show you this pattern. So you're going to essentially be making a square knot, but the thing that's different about this knot is which cord you select to be your working cord. So you're going to start with this left cord, but instead of taking the typical right cord that would be your working cord, you're going to skip over this one and you're going to take the left cord from the second section. So these are your two working cords. So I'm going to make a square knot now. Again, you're skipping this cord here. So I'm going left over the center, right over the tail, behind the two, and I'm switching my hands here, if you can see that. Makes it a little bit easier. And then I'm pulling that up through to the left. And then gliding that up. And then I complete the knot, right over center, left over the tail, behind and through. It's really important that you don't include this one in the center of your square knot here, that you're only knotting around these two cords. So to move forward to the next step, I take the one that was left behind, and that's my new left working cord. Again, I skip this one here and take the left cord from this section, and these are my next set of working cords. So make sure you're skipping that one every time. For the last one, you take that one from behind that was left out and you grab the end, and that is your last one of the row.